I'm sorry for that. It is Sunday. You know what that means. Game dev time. So today is the day where we change a lot. So, oh, right. More technical difficulties. Alright, please hang on. Hey, Roiku. Sunday is fun day. Especially today. Let me change my monitor so you have the right one. There we go. So, what I want to do is change the ship. Cause I realized most of it I don't even need. So, new collection. Container ship. Whoop whoop. And then we scale it right. And then we see where we go from there. So we finished the loading bay today, definitely. I want to see it in game. So, shipping containers. Yeah, the scale issue. So much wasted ship. So I think what I need is just like the tip and like one of those so I can align them in engine. That's what we're gonna do now. So I don't need the back part. I didn't like it anyway. Right here. Ugh. And here as well, and we also can clean it up a little bit where we add it. That thing is an atrocity. You know what? We can skip on those as well. There we go. So, Roiku, how are you doing? What's going on in the Roiku world? You made MS Paint? That's mad impressive. I mean, I just have to question why? Just out of curiosity. Curiosity. Excuse me. You can probably use it for, like, riddles. But then you need to make the program recognize what you're drawing. So yeah, what's the deal, huh? What are you on about? What you doing there? What's on the... Oh, yeah, right. It's still kinda cool. Not gonna lie. Let me check this out then. Just need to find artist Discord in this. Do you also have so many Discords that you absolutely lose control? I just got an irritating message on Discord. Don't worry, I'm on my way. I feel like everyone has like 100 Discords. There it is. There it is. Game development. I like your style. Cause it's like a smooth pixelated. Nearly like comic-y, you know? I really like your style. Don't get offended by the way I describe it, but I really like it. It's a cat. It's a leg, that's a leg, that's a front leg. Front leg. That's the tail. So you did this sketch. Oh, wait. Oh. Yeah, I thought you were like... You drew this afterwards, but you drew it in there. Well, you see, that opens a whole possibility, and that's now the game designer speaking, right? You could make a magic system where you need to draw a sign, and then the player makes the spell. But that's impressive. Are you streaming? Another question, are you streaming game dev? Oh, I love notebooks. You ever played Pool of Radiance? Or Radiance? Don't know how to pronounce it. The notebook was the most crucial part of the whole game, right? Because you needed to write so much stuff down. Yeah, but that's impressive, dude. Very impressive. Are you streaming game dev or just gameplay? Because the last videos on your channel are all from Beasts and Goblins? I never heard of that. Oh, Dark and Darker Clan. A little bit tired. Oops. Yeah, let me give you a shout out. Maybe you have some funny clips.
Oh, links to... I don't see links. Boss battle. I don't know how to do boss battles. I stay away from them.
Yeah, let me throw you a follow.
Just look for tutorials. There's a lot of tutorials on YouTube.
So don't expect me to show up for games, but for game dev I'm definitely in. You know what? I think we can join that. Ooh, that's not good. Oh, that's not good. That's not good. Now let's drag it a little bit down here. Hey Sven, how's it going? The stream the standard quality today though. Alright, I will show up then. As soon as I'm done eating and socializing. Because I was told I need to socialize more. I visited a friend yesterday. More or less I was invited for food. If there's one way to get me out of the house, it's good food. We don't even need these walls. Why do I care about those? Well, it's important to talk to yourself. Sometimes you need the opinion of an expert. Also, and you see, that's the most crucial part. Finding out what you want. Ignore those. They were just for scale. So the good thing is now. That we can just, you know what, we just scale it down. See where we end up. Yeah, it looks like shit. Socializing the f you're talking about, your trade. Aren't we socializing somehow? Yeah, but it comes from the same woman that told me to do yoga. Yes, we all know there's just one reason to do yoga. Well, there are actually two that I think about it. Because I know this will be misrouted in any second now. Exactly. The only reason to do yoga is to bang a yoga chick. It's like being vegan. So why are you vegan? So there was this vegan chick. I'm feeling I'm close or I give up. I mean, tell this to a vegan. Vegans are always, I don't care for your reason, it's good that you do it. Yeah, I want to bang this vegan chick. And see their faces go like, what the fuck? Oh yeah, what are we here? Any one of you has some weird food preferences? Most of you don't even know mine, because most of you are newer to the channel. That's a good question. And how far do you go into the relationship before you tell her to make you bacon? That's the next good question. I think we need to talk to some vegans here, but I don't think I attract a lot of vegans. Because, well, they see like my muscle build and my gritty appearance, and be like, he eats meat for sure. Wait. Yeah, it's made from milk, so. Not vegan. A lot of weak ones. Yeah, because you are looking for guidance. That's it. Speaking of weak ones, where's Roger? I hope he didn't hear that. Because I actually had some questions for him. For anyone who doesn't know who Roger is, I have a command. I recently changed a lot of commands, so I found this one. That's my friend Roger, who's making a Roman city builder. I think people are always looking for the next extreme, so I think in a few years we talk about fruitarians a lot. Or people who eat bugs. And they then shit on the vegetarians, and then the vegetarians join the meat eaters in a alliance of please leave us alone. That's my prediction. It's like a few years back, gay people were like the kind of new thing, and now you have all of this, and gay people are just standing beside straight people, be like, yeah, those people are crazy. Holy shit, what happened? Now what we can just do this flat. Oh yeah, keto diet. I totally forgot about those. I think the amount of people who do keto and vegans should be controlled. So we always have one vegan and one keto. So everything is perfectly in balance. Maybe that's just me, right? Meat and a vegan live together. One of them could have a balanced meal. Yes, exactly. I mean, that's the thing, right? Imagine I have a vegan girlfriend. I would cook vegan for her if she wants it. But I would also expect that she cooks meat for me. Check 3D stuff. 1512. He's online and not here. I'm fairly disappointed. 3D stuff. Ah, not announcements. Alright. Well, we're going somewhere here. I still don't know where the front is. Probably here. Well, if she wants my meat, I need my meat, right? That's called, I don't know what's called. What is it called? Now I forgot the German word. Compromise. Yeah. That's actually true. If they think it's still alive, then they need help. Exactly. I mean, I don't ask her to make me fucking lobster. She can if she wants. And I think that's the least I can what the fuck is that? That's the least I can expect after she doesn't have to clean. I never have had lobster in my life. Ugh. Ignore that. Oh, there's this funny clip of this cooking show with Gordon Ramsay where this one contestant starts to rip the crab apart. And he's like, you know that thing is still alive, right? So you're just torturing it right now. Oh yeah, let's see. Where is it? Oh. So yeah, the containers will sit in there and they fit, which is good. That thing is actually quite done. Can we join it without problems? Yes! Sweet! Yeah, looking good. Okay. I wasn't. Yo, Shady! How is it going? What are you up to? Today's topic seems to be food. Talked about vegans? Vegans? Vegans. Why do I say vegan? Vegans and vegetarians. What's the deal with vegetarians? We're speaking about Norwegians. Yeah, we can also speak about Norwegians. Not biased. Ooh, what the fuck? What, Norwegians or what is what the fuck? Alright, there's this femboy fanfiction you will just start babbling about now. I still don't get what this is all about. Maybe I'm just too old for that. What the f is that, huh? What the f what the f what the f are you? Where the fuck do you come from? There we go. What the f is even that? Oh, for f sake. My keyboard switched to Latin again. actually need to take this out. It's good to know that Norwegians are not Swedes. So what is it that you don't like about the Swedes? Is it IKEA? Or the meatballs? Or the plundering of the northern coasts? The personal union leading in the Kalmar Union? Okay. In this case with Finland, yet Finland despises Sweden. It's a love-hate relationship. Have you ever been in any relationship? That's the problem. Hey, Cock, how's it going? Hey, Roger, how are you doing? You got your shout out already. Give me link perms. Permit. There we go. Oh, I was late. Ah, do I want to see that? Ah, I saw this already. Right, I wanted to make a public service announcement. Let me turn the music down for that, right? So I want to congratulate our good friend of the stream, Irish John, for closing a deal with a publisher, which happened Thursday. Victims are Yeah, man. Well done, John. I know you're streaming sometimes. No, you're lurking sometimes. Streaming, you're always streaming. His streams are like a tavern, right? After a long day of game dev, you go into Irish John's games and you chill there with the other people. That's what I like about the whole atmosphere. So, the colors of course are screwed! Ship.white. How's it going, Roger? Turning Cock, whoever showed up recently, and I didn't mention specifically. Ship.blue. Yeah, ship.blau. Why are you scared? I'm actually watching your streams to cringe about your Blender skills. You wanna see a magic trick, Roger, right? You wanna see a magic trick. Watch this, right? We have a circle. We have some sort of city wall. But as you might notice, there's something missing. Like depth. If we use this curve, we can do magic stuff. Like well, building ourselves a wall. But what you also could do is use an object for that. Which of course comes with its own set of problems. Like that. Well, you can use another. I mean, I prefer this way anyway. If we have this circle, then we can manipulate this circle with another circle. Now it gets cool. Oh, wait, this way. Roger, and this is how you do a city wall. It's not fanatism if you're really good. Blender is a really powerful web software. Just need to learn how to use it. Then you're good. Right? Ship. Centerpiece. Ship. Front piece. Yeah, what can I do here? Feel like we need some sort of decoration. Container ship front. Let's boot up any game where we are on a container ship. I ain't gonna do that. Look at this shit. Holy f***. It's a lot of shit on there. Oh f***, but I need to do it because it's... Okay, I am... Yes, Roger, but you also always can ask me. And not ask me right in the stream when I'm like, yeah, that's a thing I need to explain like in 10 minutes. And I ain't typing this. I just woke up 30 minutes ago. Every time you feel like there should be an easier solution, you open Discord, write me a message, and I tell you, no, there's no easier solution. Good luck on that. Is this a modular ship of foreshadowing? It's a modular ship. Why should it be foreshadowing? What am I foreshadowing with this? So now I'm curious what you think I would foreshadow with that. Mesh, snap, cursor to selected. You know I'm making an RTS, right? Just out of curiosity. And I put way too much effort into that. Broken hull for sharing ship sinking. Oh, that would be good. But no, the ship is actually just a decorative element you see in like the first 10 minutes. Or 30 minutes, depending on how fast you finish the first mission. But I need to stretch them really good. Which is surprisingly easy in an RTS environment. Just put in some waves of enemies. Whoops. Subdivide, subdivide, subdivide. So for anyone interested, no, I have no idea what this tower does. I don't understand anything about the thing I currently model. But my ship expert is kinda AFK. So... I'm sorry. Change music. Roger, what the f do you want to hear? That was Unreal Engine. We have alternative, we have chill piano, we have classic rock, we have EDM, hip hop, lofi, we have pop, VHS, whatever that is. I was expecting you to go for EDM. Let's do some lofi, yeah? It's a kind of magic. What thanks for expecting you to go for something different? Or for changing the music, because you literally paid for it. It's like my housekeeper just recently thanked me for paying. I'm like, it's your job. I pay you to do your job. But it was nice. No, wait. Ah, fuck. Changing the noise. It is music. Cotton. Cricket? Is it cricket or cricket? You can redeem me talking German. There are different ways to make me speak German. I can change. There's a language switch for 400, or there's a learn a German curse word. Like the cricket. How are you doing? Let me give you a shout out. That is my friend Cricket. He's snoring in his microphone on the streams. Or painting his walls. But he's making a turn-based tactical game like Final Fantasy Tactics.
Okay, so new track. How do we do new track? Add new, but can we hover?
So I say it a lot. Part of game dev, I swear. Long coding bugs on the beach. We all do. So what does this even do? I was looking for the picture, right? So we have this thing. And it kinda does things, I guess. Maybe it's an aim assist. I don't know. Cargo ships dumping oil into the sea. Yes, I know. I was expecting that. Kinda. Because can't control those. And if it's in the sea, you rarely find anything to prove it. Mine is way prettier. I don't know what this. A language switch. Let me put up a timer. And then Cricket gets what he wants. Start. Okay. Ja, ich habe keine Ahnung, was der Turm tut. Wahrscheinlich ist irgendwie Funk oder so. Ja, wir packen da einfach eine Plattform drauf und gut ist. Niemand wird das hinterfragen, denke ich. Also so wirklich niemand. Wahrscheinlich wissen die Spieler selber nicht, was das Ding tut. Das ging schnell. Okay. Das ist eine sehr starke Reaktion. Hätte ich fast Englisch geredet. Aber so nicht. So nicht, Freunde. So. Das. Ja, ich glaube. Sich seinen Namen übersetzen, wenn es sich anbietet? Ich glaube, die Grille war zweite Generation. Nachname Schulz. Zumindest glaube ich, das gehört zu haben oder mich zu erinnern. Es ist schwer genug, sich alle Projekte von den Leuten zu merken, die so zuschauen. Dann brauchst du nicht noch anfangen hier mit, was sind ihre Hobbys, was für Musik hören sie? Nee, bitte nicht. Einfach nein. Und gut ist. Absolut, absolut. Alles respektvoll. So sind wir hier. Das ist ein christlicher Stream. Da wird nicht geflucht. Keine bösen Wörter gesagt. Du scheinst sehr glücklich darüber zu sein, dass ich Deutsch rede. Ah, 3 Minuten haben wir noch. Ich meine, ich mache das jetzt schon so lange, zwischen Deutsch und Englisch hin und her wechseln, dass es für mich sehr einfach ist. Einfach Kommando zu tun. Deswegen ist es seltsam. Es ist immer seltsam für mich, wenn ich Leuten begegne, die kein Englisch können. Die in meinem Alter sind. Arbeitskollegen oder so. Du kaufst dir eine Brezel. Das ist gut. Ich habe letztens einem Amerikaner Brezeln gezeigt und der war überrascht, wie viele Arten von Brezeln es gibt. Ich meine, gerade in der heutigen Welt ist doch Englisch so ein wertvoller Skill. Das ist das deutsche Äquivalent zu Skill. Fähigkeit. Warum schmeckt der nussig? Jungs, das sind drei Espresso-Shots mit ein bisschen Milch. Und Sahne. Und ultra hoch erhitzt. Ich werde die ganze Nacht wach sein. Ja, keine Ahnung, machen wir das hier zusammen. Zu so einem Turm. Oder so. Brauchen wir noch ein paar Halteseile? Meinst du, es hat was mit natürlichem Talent zu tun? Weißt du, wie jeder so ein Lieblingsfach hat, weil er da drin besser klarkommt? Nah genug, Reuko. Nah genug. Definitiv nah genug dran. 30 Sekunden, haltet durch, Kinder. Oh ja, es ist, was es ist. Ein Schiff, ein Containerschiff. Für das erste Level, was ich habe. Grille? Du hättest vielleicht fragen sollen, wenn Englisch vorbei ist. Was so in 7 Sekunden ist. And we're done. So I hope you all wrote everything down. Because there will be a test about that. Because it's a very German thing to do. Yes, exactly. For the first level. It's what I said, but it's a harbor, as you might know, because you are a very good follower of my streams. Mr. First Time Chatter. Cracks off into your Duolingo. Yeah, that's a very German thing to say. School in Germany is so awful. But yeah, I guess it's everywhere, right? We just never figured out how to really solve the problem. Or how to teach people. That's the issue. That's the whole issue. These days we don't know how to teach people stuff and things. And even teachers would agree that the way we teach people these days is absolutely useless for the times we're living in. Maybe we keep trying to make it harder. Harder what? To learn? Or to teach? Oh yeah, that could be, but still on the other side, I also watch mostly German stuff. I just speak a lot of English in my free time, right? Why not both? Yeah, yeah, right. You're from the States, and I think that there's a whole bunch of issues which I don't get, like school choice. That's something so normal in Germany that I was confused about the whole concept in the US when somebody told me that. Oh, you can't freely choose the school you go to, or the children go to. But why shouldn't I get the best education for my children? I don't get why. I really understand that. Is there like a reason for that, or is this just securing school funding for your school by having enough people? Because that sounds like one of those issues to me. Hey, Cricket, what are you doing for a living, by the way? I think I never asked. If you don't want to disclose this information, you don't have to. Or you lie, it's up to you. It's always interesting to see what people do. Holy shit, where's the hour gone? Why is there an hour gone? It's always interesting to see what kind of people suddenly say, yeah, I'm doing this. After you see them programming and they are like, oh, I'm a pizza delivery guy, right? You what, mate? You program better than me and I have an IT job. Yeah, but you don't want it. True. True. Gotta pay the bills. And I'm a man, so we do mistakes for a living. So you're a programmer. Or you impregnate random people. Oh, you're a single mother, Roiku. Yeah, roommate-chan is watching. I turn around, right? He's watching an anime, and there's a girl getting naked. I bet to this point it wasn't really nothing to worry about. I'm fresh and low income. Somehow we live well with very little. Just happen to make good financial choices at critical economic events. Oh, okay. Hey, that's absolutely alright. I don't judge you, right? Most important part is that you're happy with your life. And what I noticed recently, I managed to perfectly align my income with my lifestyle. I have so much money, it's unbelievable. And that allows me to stomp a company out of the ground to make more money. And that's how we do it. That's how it goes. Well, I don't sleep a lot, but everyone knows that. Money? it's not alright. Oh yeah, cricket. Cricket. I have a question. Right. I have a question. I didn't want to ask it in your stream to not derail it last time when you were painting. So if you are still available, I have a question. Bought a house right after the crash in 08. Sold it right at the peak in California. I bought a house cash after that, so well, some things online. I try to make money pursuing my bucket list of dreams. Oh, that's cool. Like living the dream. So you said you were repainting the room as a classroom? And you said some word with M. Something. What the f is that? Never heard this word in my life and I didn't manage to write it to Google it. Montessori. Ah, yes. Now it rings a bell. So what is that? Oh, I'm probably sounding very uneducated right now. Which I am. I went to a rural school. It's pedagogy, a method of teaching. Oh, okay. Alright. It's funny that I never heard this, because one of my best friends is teaching. Like, well, by now not children anymore, but what's socially disadvantaged children who come from like what's the word? Like who witness where the parents don't care. Oh, this is this girl there, which I was there on Christmas 2 years ago, and I met this girl, and she likes to draw. She's really good, and I told her to pursue her dreams and draw because she's really talented. Well, turns out she had cancer, but she beat it recently. Yes, RTL2 parents. So I'm very proud of her too. Beat the shit out of cancer. But yeah, she's a lovely girl. And before you ask, she's 14. Don't mean it in that sense, Shady. But Shady's probably eating. Probably has a sausage in his mouth. Her mouth. Its mouth. I really don't know which gender currently is appropriate. I'm so confused about the new gender stuff. Getting old. Come on, show me something cool. Oh, we have this, we have this, we have... I don't know what all those parts do. That's a problem in modeling them. Yeah, I mean... alright, isn't it? That's my professional writing program. Nice to show it to you. Oh, we can here make some bubble thingies. That's a good idea. It's the level, by the way. Not what I wanted to click. Yeah, let's make some bubbles. Whatever they are. So it follows the science of how children learn. Montessori referred to absorbent mind. The example being how a child learns We just talked about you. Shady. Their mind sponges easier to learn, and it's kind of how to guide them without getting in the way of that. Ah, I see. That's awesome. My mom's recently had cancer diagnosed as well, and treatment is going on. Oh, that's good to hear. Oh, I'm back on. Yeah, I know you want me behind your back, but no, I just admitted that I'm an old white man, still not knowing how to say to address you. Because I think I said he, and then I said she, and then was at it, and then I admitted I'm just confused about the whole topic now. Very stressful because me too randomly decided to paint and move an entire room in a week. Call a friend. She. Okay, you prefer she. I say you or Shady. I think that's the best course of action. So I don't get confused. More confused. Yeah, whenever I wrongly address you, just say, hey, dude. Dude is gender neutral, we established this. I really try my best here for an old white guy, okay. Dude and bro. Bro, yeah. Bro's also gender neutral. Give me link perms. You know what? I will make a short smoke break. Fill up my coffee. And then I will look at the link. Because it is time. I'll be right back. And I'm back. So let me catch up. Thanks for the follow. 6 quarts. Appreciate it. Oh my god, I need to smoke break so European. Yes, Shady, you don't have any respect for miners. You wouldn't go down in a hole and dig up ores. So, thanks, blah blah blah. Smoke breaks are European, exactly. Yes, well, smoke breaks are necessary for streamer. It keeps the blood circulation running. Well, if I wouldn't smoke, right, I would sit like 16 hours a day, sometimes more. "20 years, I'd probably be dead by then anyways." That's actually a good question. I think it's happening already. You fixed an ugly wall texture in artist stream. Oh. Is the front or the back, Sven? Oh yeah, it's looking much better. Oh, looks a little bit rough. I like that. Yes, Sven's space bike. Sven is still around, he can probably give you some detail on that. You know what we do? We add some sort of thingy. Really not good at this. So yeah, I think that people are already using ChatGPT to increase the engagement. Would be stupid if not. So far nobody got caught. We'll probably go on for a while. We all do. I mean, I was expecting, or I am expecting that we have some sort of Alexa thing soon, which would move around. Shut up. Robot. And it will walk around your flat and do all the tasks. But currently robots are just so slow. I accidentally started radio. Yes, like a robot made. See, Roku, I have actually a housekeeper. She's a migrant. It has nothing to do with that I took her as a housekeeper. I took her because she is the girlfriend of a friend of mine. And she's doing a really good job so far. Yeah, the position of housekeeper is currently occupied. Actually, currently looking for a massage therapist. So my idea is that I make a vacation in Thailand and just come back with a wife. Problem solved. All the problems solved. It wasn't me, JD. We didn't even know each other when you got the outfit. The first stream I ever saw you, you were wearing the maid outfit. JD, I would have bought you a better one. Just saying. Not to shit on a 50-year-old. balding dude that bought you that, right? But I would have bought you a really nice one. Are you sure? Closer to 80. Yeah, could be. Like the guy from Family Guy. The neighbor. Don't even know what his name is. Yeah, Herbert. Exactly. Is this your target audience? Oh, shady. Bad copy paste. Do you need a permit? John Herbert. Alright. File expert. Herbert enters the chat. Oh, take another one. Wait, before we do that, I should check on the materials. Yeah, that's what I fucking thought. This and that and this and this and that and this and that and this. This. Oh. Actually. Oh, fuck. Can afford to spend 50 euro on a maid outfit for some online. Alright. Oh. Working on a strategy, pen and paper campaign. It's on my mind. Well, if it's on your mind, write it down. Because you never know when it's gone. Wait, did you say Stargate? Oh. Same dude, same. Yes, Stargate. I watched Stargate actually. Was a big fan back in the days. Not all of it, no. At some point, of course, I phased out. We have metal one somewhere. Let's bring in some diversity. Dead Atlanta is the initial film, I think, where there were films actually. Yes, there was a lot going on at the end. Oh shh. Hang on. Oh, that's the issue. We need to recolor those. Aye, Prince of Sloth. Yes, it's because I just need like 2-3 pieces of this, and it was a ship like an hour ago. Now we cut it into pieces, now we export it, and then we can import it. Then we see how it looks. But before we do that, and because I learned from watching Roger streams, yes, that's what I thought. The fuck is even that? Face orientation is fucked. Yes, this is Blender. What the f... Oh, right. I should have made them a little bit solidified. Not that much, please. There we go. Wait. I've killed myself. Yeah, Blender is very useful. You can make movies. Okay, now we can export this. Ship. New. Modular. Let's see how it looks. Assets. Harbor assets, yes. So we can get rid of the old ship. Which it's not even here. Oh, yes it is. Force delete. Modular. What do you mean? That's not what I was looking for. Where is it? Here it is. Four? Okay. Yeah. Hey, wouldn't you expect I know stuff? It's like I'm a game developer. No, he actually went to his room to play video games. So there are no naked enemy girls anymore. That's the wrong one. Oh, deselect this. Video games, yes. Exactly, hey Bees, how are you doing? Now we start a big cover up. You know what? We can also do this in the top view. Maybe a smart idea. Or we hide the water for now. No need to make it strange, Mr. Cricket. So stranger than it already is. In my head, in the blender it fitted, but it was a better fit. Huh. Alright. Change of plan. Oh, for fuck's sake. Yeah, that's what I thought. They're not even in the right order. Please hold the line. I think if we put in the other ones, they should fit much better. Yeah. Absolutely. Don't even need to disclose what if it is for the sake of one fuck or multiple fucks. Just for fuck's sake. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Or how many fucks are you willing to give? that. If you would just give one, you could feed starving children. Just one is all it needs. Would you give a no f***s for you? Hey, Moa. How are things? Container ship. Now we can just grab them. Randomly change the color. Mm-hmm. I'm doing fine. Nice to hear you're doing good. How's the boat training going? I think it needs more. All right. Yeah, that's one way to do it. Avoidance. So let's bring the water back. For security reasons. For visual reasons, I will just add this one again, change the colors. Not the static mesh, the colors I said. Some green. There you go, looks totally different. You can even remove this one. Oh yeah, that's good. Filling is like it really kills the whole mood of the map. Or tiling. Excuse me. Didn't know you all studied English. All right. So I finished it. So I can see the water. Actually can avoid. Blocking it out. Yes, we can just block this out. With a plane! Yeah, let's do a plane. Like that. Should be alright, no one will look at it and like this closely there. Or even notice. I will probably change it off screen. Later, Imgur. Let me see what you got there. Oh, sweet. Got the angles already? Alright, you too, Roger. Enjoy your week. Have to code. You're always coding. Nerd. Alright, so now we can actually do what I'm here for. Export this. Oh yeah, I used the system for another project once. But it's I mean it's nice. But I really don't need it for this type of game currently. Ah yeah, this will be attached to... No, this will be separate. They belong together. Alright, Tina, you really need to get a grip on your shop titan addiction. Just saying. You know it. This is an intervention, Tina. Yeah, come on, Tina. What's the other thing, huh? Shop titans? I actually can have a look. You want me to have a look? But hey, your streaming schedule seems to be off lately. Your cache my drift. So we don't need this because we can just use this one. Oh, you're making a devlog, yeah. Devlogs suck. why is this? No. Don't tell me. Ah, for fuck's sake. Aren't we all, Tina? Aren't we all too ambitious? I mean, go through all of your game dev streams, right? And show me the one person where you say, yeah, that's the right amount to do. That's exactly what person X can handle. That's how we do it. Just not true. A random fact. There's a moth, right? I forgot its name. Lunar moth? This moth doesn't have a mouth. Or intestines, like for using food. It just lives for a few hours or 24 hours, reproduce and die. Alright, smaller games. Well, the problem is how saturated is this market already, right, with smaller games. What is a smaller game? What about your clicker? It's a mobile game. That might work. Why do they reduce your hours? Didn't they like give you put you in another department recently? All right. I think we really move in an area where everyone makes like small games, and that's why I just instantly said, nah, I'm not cut out for small projects, right? Which I'm absolutely not. While working on something I already in my head extended. Alright, Tina, you do that. Always 8 points ahead, you know. Sounded like Minecraft for a moment, this song. Bottom. Pivot, bottom, accept. Pivot, bottom, accept. Kraftwerk? Minecraft. Not Kraftwerk. That's the difference, I guess. Ah yes, resetting pivot points. The ultimate combo. Are you sure about that? So let's remove this one. Oh sh. That's not what I wanted. I need you to help me. I don't know what I did. All my stuff are hidden. All I can see them. Alt not working. Press backslash on a numpad. Like. Wait. That one. Whatever this is. But it could be different because you have a Swedish keyboard. It's this one. Because you probably hit this button by accident while doing numblock stuff. If not, then we can have a discussion. Which button? The one right of num to activate your num block. Let me get a keyboard picture. Yes, that was Grammarly for everyone who noticed. Keyboard. So, yeah, I clicked the only one without a num block. So it's this one. What? Wait. Why is it different? Okay. Yeah, with this button it's quite useful. I use it all the time because if you select like one object and you press this, you just have this object and it's instantly focused. And if you press it again, you go back. So remember that it is useful. Oh, we can end it with this one. Damn, time flies. Holy shit, I don't have enough time for all of that. Well, I just could throw money at the problem. I always tend to do. W. I hate it that it never focuses where I am. There we go. Oh, this week I maybe hear something about the teaching job I'm aspiring to do. Just for anyone interested. Or for those who haven't heard it. Blender and Unreal. Why are there walls missing? Why are there walls missing? The walls are here. Oh, because I look at it in the wrong angle, right? Right? Is there actually a wall missing? Oh. Yes. Yes, there was missing. For beginner classes at first. It will be like an online learning platform where people can log in and learn Blender, Unreal, stuff like that. And I'm one of the 3 people they consider because I have experience with blueprint programming. Apparently, this is a rare skill. Alright, you eat your pizza. Yes, it's through an education center. It's a company working Europe, I think all over Europe. Could be worldwide exit. Yes, BP is actually rare. Most people go with coding in the classical sense. I mean, it's just coming up, right? Yeah, me neither, but apparently all the people they have there that can do Unreal can't do that. They even can't understand it. Hi Panda Gamer, by the way. So, thanks for the follow. Appreciate it. So yeah, that's why they consider me, because I bring Blender knowledge and blueprint knowledge to the table. Which puts me ahead of all them. Yes, and then that's it, right? You have a bunch of people who know how to do certain things. But I mean, that's why I always tell people to go to Ryan. Because he takes a feature and trains you how to make this feature and explains it really well. Other people just do like, this is the function and this is how we do it. What? I mean, my job that I currently do can be totally replaced by an AI. If I don't get a job, I just program an AI to do my actual job. Yes. Yes, it's Ryan does a really great job. For beginners, I always say, hey, go to Ryan, look for the type of game you want to make. Yes, we're talking about job. AI job takeover. Van Cloward. I don't know him. Let me follow him. Well, Shady, they need to be, right? Because if not, there's no point in creating them. They need to be better than us. You just export the wrong one, yes. Ah, Ah, for fuck's sake. I replaced the wrong one. Yeah, I heard that more and more The entire world is so horse and buggy. Yes, absolutely. We are entering a new era of industrialization, basically. But yeah, I heard that more and more fast food chains change their staff for robots because it's affordable now, which I think makes sense. But a Big Mac just doesn't taste as good without the tears and the desperation, right? There we go. Yeah, that's what people don't get. They think like, well, I recently read that flipping burgers is skilled labor. Yeah, that's why you need 3 years of training to work at McDonald's. I'm pretty sure it goes something like, hey, you want a job? Yes, welcome to McDonald's. This is how you do it. Shady, you don't even have a job. What are you talking about? So the funny part about my job currently is that I'm actually well put in charge of the computer program that basically took 3 people's jobs. And then the guy left who implemented it, so I now need to learn how to work with it. Which would probably cost 2 more people their jobs. Being all writing code, one of the 2. Oh nice, that guy's probably hot. Which guy? The guy who made AI? What are you talking about? JD, you think of too many people that they are hot. It's confusing. That's the guy. Okay. Yeah, because people who program are usually hot. I mean, could be. It's not the 1980s anymore. Yeah, Shady is very selective in that regard. Which programmers are hot and which are not. So, which one is this? It's this one. Which is, in my thing, this one. Why is there a wall missing? No, it's this one, right? Oh my god. I just export them both. No, I can't. Right side. Left side. Let's figure this out. So I think that's this one, which is the right side. Re-import with new file. It was. Why is there still a problem? Holy. Yes, so it's this one. Like that. Material. Yes, looking good. No, it doesn't looking good. It indeed does not look good. Try to give structure into Allen turning the okay. You know, that sounds kinda horrible. Hey, Supernatural, right now. Still don't know your name. Never asked. How are you doing? What did I name it? Side, right? Yes, now there we go. Pivot. Bottom. Accept. Just like Shady. Accept bottom. Just accepted it. Just like the pivot point didn't have chance. Yes, bottom. Both know it's true. He admitted it on multiple occasions. I mean, it would be strange if you would be a top. Don't you think? So that's the origin story of Finland. It doesn't exist. Okay. You know what, Shady? I believe you. Why is it scrolling so slow? God. Engine sucks. Schrödinger's country. Well, maybe Finland is a conspiracy theory of Sweden to cover the fact that they are not gay. Because they want to be inclusive and stuff, you know? Wait, did I forget to export the door part? Yes. Wow. 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 That one. FBX. Loading bay. Yes. Exactly. Because look at Norway, turned their back on Sweden, right? But I recently heard that Norway is actually a thing Swedes just let them have. So, actually not taken seriously. Off. Off. Close. Bottom. Accept. There we go. It's an unplugged player 2 controller. I like this one. I will steal it and I will give it to Red Cabin. Yeah, I forgot how to make the scrolling faster, but I think that's like... I really need to implement some materials. Thanks to Moa, I now know where to start. Whoop whoop. But it's time for a smoke break. Be right back. And I'm back. Oh, really shady, am I? I just do this for you guys, right? So you can take a break, stretch. Look what you do in game dev. Whatever you develop. Hey, Mike FPS 1. How are you doing? What is up with you? Going up in the mic world. So let me check. I'm doing good. We met somewhere. I wouldn't say yes. Except of course you're the Mike from Mike. Are you Mike? Are you Big Mike? In the Mayosphere. Ah, right. Yes, now I remember. Mike and Ike? Yes, now I remember. Yes. So did you start? Did you have some looks at it? Welcome back, Shady. So I will now 3D model some stuff. Some decorations. That was not what I wanted to do. Because today I got sent. I mean, I also could invest the $20, right? But I'm a cheap fuck. So we will do this. I can do this. Yeah, alright, you have lunch. Enjoy. I will be here for like 40 more minutes. And then we see who we raid. Thanks for the lurk. We actually have a lurk command for anyone who doesn't know, while I think of it. Alright, Cricket. You enjoy whatever you're up to. Don't hurt yourself on the way out. So let me get my references on the other side. So we have this, and then we have some weird part up here. It looks like this. Now we have some thermals. And then we have this and this, and then we have something like this. And then we delete this because I'm stupid. Now we can have this and that and this and this and a little bit of that. Then we have this, and then we can also delete those. Because we have a mirror modifier going. Which means we can actually do a lot of this. Clipping on. Like that. Like that, like that. Suddenly it became so dark. Did you close your eyes? Probably be. No? Yeah, happens, mate, happens. Well, I can turn the lights on if it's too dark for you. It's probably because I want a little bit further back from the screen. Now we are back. So we do this and that, and then we do a little bit of this. Then we do a little bit of what the f is even that? Ah, did this happen? Ah, no. Where is it? Alright, we're good, we're good. Ah, shady. Shut the f up, huh? How about that? Huh? What? You started it. Well, Shady, then maybe it's a you problem. If you hear a thing over and over again, chances are high it's a you problem. Wait. Alright. Fucking shit. Danganronpa, I don't even know what that is. Why is it behaving so strangely? So what is Danganronpa? Right. Actually, I have a command for that. Oh, hang on. Keyword changed. Yeah, I have no clue what that game is and what you do there or why you asked me. The limited space with evil stuffed bear that tells them all to kill each other to escape. But the catch is that if you kill someone, you will have to face a trial. If you wanted to be the killer, then you are executed. Oh, it's like Among Us? Alright. Among weeps. I liked that one. That one was funny. Came like 10. Yeah, and before that there was the game Werewolf, which is essentially the same. It's more sophisticated. Mafia? Oh yeah, right, that's also a thing. Right, the Mafia is a thing. Never heard of them, never had to do with them. Everyone who says something else is a fucking liar. Yo, werewolf? Werewolf. I think it's the mostly known one, isn't it? I have no idea what it is, but it works. Yes, it's actually quite sad, right? I mean, I remember playing games like this in Counter-Strike, which was much more entertaining. Like Trouble in Terrorist Town. That was fun. Dead by Daylight is worse than a clone of one of my favorite games. I think it's a lot about timing. Dormammu 2 fan. If evil, why hot? What? Shady, I need some context for that. You just can't place this like that and not say anything about it. She's hot. But she's animated. Well, she can be hot and evil. Most hot women are evil. Or most evil women are hot. Believe in making your own twists for games. I specialize in remaking older games, mimicking their already tested mechanics, so I should be headed for success in the future. I can just hope that for you. No. not anymore. You would be shocked to hear what my kink is. I guess. Or you know what? Guess. You guess what my kink is. I said it on multiple occasions on stream. No. No. I choke, but I don't like to be choked. Let's shady guess. Let's shady guess what it is. It's just for shady. Cheating. Debugging. Yeah, I want this bitch to debug all my code. It's muscle mummies. Yeah. Oh. Oh no, no, I choked the shit out of this bitch. Ugh. So the opposite of that is, right? There are two types of piercings, which makes you instantly... Ugh. What the fuck is that? Oh, oh, I knew her name. I watched a video on her of her recently. Yeah, but the pure dedication to get a body like that, that's kind of hot. Why would you think by that I'm a bottom? Oh yes, yes, I really see the dedication behind things. Also, like a really successful businesswoman can get me right. She dedicates her whole life to her business. Kinda hot. Cause you really need to work for those people, right? They don't have time for you. You need to prove that your value. But then they keep you because it's too annoying to find a new one. Debug dedication, killer king combo. Yeah, I like Subway too. Alright, see you later. Probably join in your stream while making food. Oh, waiting for a call. You can have this call on stream, no problem. Alright, how much time do we have left? 20 minutes, that's actually enough. Get this in game. Why would you call one? Why do you know it's a 1.5 hours call? That's the first thing, right? Why with your parents? How do you know so exactly how long it will take? Experience. Good call. Yeah, that's why I don't talk to my parents. Even if my father calls me, I probably pick up the phone, ask what they want. I don't pick up when my mother calls. Hey, Epoch? Epoch? I don't know how to pronounce it. I go with Epoch. It might appear so. Good enough. Alright, Epoch. I also can do it more German. Epoch. I'm doing pretty well. We added a ship today. It is. We added this today. Now we do some decoration and elements for the last 15 minutes and then we raid somebody. Then I really need to start to think about materials. It's doing good. What about you? What are you up to?
Well, here's the sleep shop's answer.
Yeah, let's keep this straight. Playing with Unity, trying to make something nice. Well, then you shouldn't use Unity. Am I right? I have an emote for that. But yeah, what are you making in Unity? No, I don't give a shit, by the way. Just because somebody accused me of... Yeah, exactly that. Someone's biased. No, I don't give a shit. I have friends who do Unity. I have friends who have Godot. Even some game maker stuff, RPG maker. I'm not biased. I do it for the comedic relief. But I actually was accused of hating Unity. Just because me and Red Kevin have sometimes those funny fights. So yeah, I don't care which tool you use. I'm more interested in your project. Yeah. Yeah. Ah, it's good enough. Come on. It's good enough. So yeah, Epoch, what are you programming, huh? Tell us before this stream ends. Clock's ticking, mate. Now let's get Metal 2 in here. What the fuck are they doing there? Convert, mesh, join, remove doubles, remove whatever the fuck this is. So now I'm worried that Epoch just vanished because of the joke. Oh my god, he did. Oops. FBX, loading bay. Gas tank 2? Is it gas tank 2? Yeah, because this is gas tank 1. Pivot, bottom, accept. Multiplayer is where I'm just learning how to make an inventory, crafting, etc. Next in series, maybe I won't even finish it. I mean, a multiplayer survival game. You're just starting and the first idea is making a multiplayer? Brave decision. Indeed. Oh. I have a professional programmer by my side and I didn't think of multiplayer. But I also think that the market is oversaturated by now. Some knowledge already, did some multiplayer games before. Oh, okay. Well, that's alright then. If you bring some experience. But is it at this point really that different? You know, 2D to 3D multiplayer? I mean, it's just another dimension of locations. But yeah, I haven't zero experience with multiplayer, so if I'm babbling bullshit, just tell me. Like, yo, dude. Nah, mate. I didn't think about that. Alright. So yay, we have some gas tanks. The good thing is most of this stuff can be reused in level 6. Because it's also an industrial area. And then in level 8. No, 10, 11, and 12. Alright, I mean, what else do we get? Pipes, ladders, tanks. I don't want to make a crane. I mean, it would look good here, right? Having this. Now here we are. Me thinking about making one of those container cranes. I don't want to. I really don't want to. Maybe I should. Also could just buy this pack. Be done. I mean, it's on sale, right? But still, I would need the building. It's just all the cargo stuff. My problem is that I rarely finish what I start. I know this problem. I can't do small games. For some reason, my brain is just constantly saying, nah, that's boring. Because it's not enough content, it's not enough dead. A laptop, a blanket between your laptop and your table. That doesn't sound good, mate. Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Maybe 7 minutes before the clock. I swear to God. Close call, my friend. Close call. Yeah, let me shout out Shady first. So Shady's been here a while.
Pegging Dominator, yeah, pegging, sure. The Dom sub thing is part of the BDSM tests. Wants to be nominated for president. I mean, dominated. Yeah, BDSM is already part of it, so the Dom sub dynamic is already on the list.
Okay. Yeah, let's shout out Mavis Games, but I don't have hopes that it gets better.
I wanted to do this one live. I was going to just record it last night, but I wanted to do it live. And it's kind of a hardcore selection too. So like, hang on, buddy.
Oh, it got better.
All right, get this out of here. 609 triggers.
Damn, that's old. I just noticed. It's an old clip, mate.
Delete. That's all.
Crazy shit.
And delete.
So, Mavis, what were you doing there? Wait, is Epoch streaming? Let's find out. No, it isn't. There's no clip, at least. Software and game development, okay. No clips. Then the entire city was controlled by one on and off level triggers. Oh, I see. Damn, that's an old clip. Isn't that from your time at, you know? I forgot the name already. Teria? Teria? Yeah, I forgot. You probably don't care. Ugh. Ugh. Illyria? Yeah, I remember that city. You named one of the streets after me. But in which dimension is it off? This one, okay. There we go. Alright, I mean, it's pretty much it is this pretty much is it, isn't it? Because I currently forget how to talk. Let's find someone to raid. Fallen? Pivalen. Thanks, I can't wait to put on some materials, which I will probably start on right fucking after the stream. And some food. Because then it will look really fucking good. Probably not. Because I never use Substance Painter, and if I get my new job I need to learn Substance Designer. I will provide it, or I will be trained to use Substance Designer, which will actually be very helpful for this. Yes, it really is. At least as much as I saw. No, I will work with the standard material system from Unreal for now. Then if we go with Substance, we go with Substance. Yeah. I mean, it's Adobe, right? I also need to find a solution for the map edge. Some fog or something. So that the car, if used, will basically be like, and then the mission starts. Will come from here. Maybe we put an open container here, where it comes out, and I will kill people. And then you will get control why it kills people. So you're just your problem then. And then you go on and kill more people, because that's what the game is about. Killing people. Sad reality of it. Nah, game gonna be awesome, I swear. Gonna be really fucking cool. Alright, it's 6:01 for me. So let's find someone who is streaming currently. A lot of people. So Captain is probably on his way out. You can raid Red Cabin. If one of you has a wish, right? Can say it now. I mean, Tina, you can do that. But you also can take a walk, come back and finish it properly. A friend of mine, Bees, recently made a devlog kinda. So he had a really good one. He's basically telling what the game is about, and he has this really chaotic energy. See, so you take this walk, and then while you walk, you will chill and make a decision on that. How about that? Because I end my stream, so you have nothing else to do. Alright, let's raid Red Cabin. So, I hope you enjoyed my stream, I hope you have fun, I hope you learned something. For instance, that I still know what I'm doing. After all these days. So, I see you all on Wednesday when we do things. Stuff. Probably do something in Blender, let's face it. Wednesday is for Blender stuff. Sunday is for level design. So, well, Wednesday is actually for talking. I really didn't manage a lot last time. So, if not, we see each other Sunday when we work further on this level. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your weekend, a nice week. I see you all next time. Bye bye.